Hello, Cambridge residents, parents, grandparents, former students, present students. I'm Irene Baldwin, and you might recognize me from my many years, 31 to be exact, 33 to be exact, of teaching English 11 and sometimes middle school. And I am here to talk about a proposition that's coming up on December 12th about a new auditorium for CCS. When I came back in 1971, I wondered, why don't we have a nice auditorium like other schools in the district? And we always had this wonderful arts and theater program here at school. And I think that having an auditorium would be a wonderful advantage for the students and for the community. All kinds of events could be held here. And not only is it just the auditorium, it's a much needed lobby. So when people come in and they choose their very nice seats in the auditorium and the lights go down and the production begins, it could be a play, it could be graduation, it could be a civic situation, it could be all kinds of things. It's a wonderful addition. And I look at the school as this wonderful place where we are teaching kids and allowing them to go out in the world and be better citizens. And just as a house needs repair and renovation, so does our school. And we are so lucky to have Cambridge Central School, one of the very best schools in the whole area. So I hope that you will come and vote on December 12th. Thank you for listening.